Guys, today we're back for another video, and today we are doing a sort of Mega Kazoom Power Mission unboxing. Now, if you're wondering why I'm in pyjamas, it's pyjama day at school. Anyways, with that out of the way, let's get into it. So, Amazon have actually shipped a sensibly sized box for once, which is strange. Let's just, what shall we start with? They're all Kazoom kits. So I couldn't get Trasher or Multi for this video. I couldn't order Multi, and I ordered Trasher, and they're like, oh, we don't actually have this, so we'll ship it to you when we have it, which I quite frankly don't think they ever will. But let's start with an action pack, shall we? So, action pack. You have Van Gogh, Trolloc. Is it Bolix? Yes, Bolix, good. Plantastic and Crazy Jet. See, I can remember. I know I could have just looked at the back. But trust me, I didn't. So yeah, you also get the Crazy Jet exoskeleton and the Plantastic slider. Whoa, the lighting's going funny. So let's open Sesame this. I'm doing it upside down. There we go. So, SuperThings Kazoom Power Mission. That looks intimidating. I'm assuming this is the exoskeleton. Right, we've got. Have we got the normal colour or alternate colour? Well, we've got the alternate colour. Oh, the sliders escaped as well. That's not in the back. Go on, out you come. That's another bit. I have got the camera in the box that these came in. It's quite strange. So we have the exoskeleton. Yeah. Sorry about the shaky camera. So let's see if I can build this quickly. If it takes too long, I just won't. Actually, this does seem to be a bit easier. Come on. Right, I'm halfway there. We'll do it a bit more on camera. Are you right or left? You're right. You're R42. Weird. Betrayed me. Oh, why are these falling off now? Okay, how about we just don't do this because it takes too long. Perhaps I'll show it in a separate video. Perhaps I won't. But yeah, it looks like that, but the colours are swapped with the sliders' colours. That makes sense. And yeah, here's the slider. That doesn't require building, thankfully. So this is Plantastic. See if I can do this. No, I can't. Okay, let's not do that then. But yeah, whenever you turn the wheels, that spins. Anyways, let's get the SuperThings out. It's already taken 2.5 minutes. That's not good. Come on, out you come. Oh, that was easier than I thought. They just sort of exploded out of it. So, Bolix, the bowling pin. We have, I think he's the third bowling pin. I want to say, don't know. Crazy Jet. This is a duplicate in this colour. I also have the purple version. You're new, Plantastic. Got his nice plant poking out of his head. That's a weird sentence. Or is the plant his head, or is the plant a separate thing? I don't know. Trolloc. I think he's new in this colour. Don't quote me on this. I can never remember what it was. I've got. Why is it so shaky? Could I? You can sort of see an M&M collection there. There we go. Yeah, I think that's better. Van Gogh in blue, which is nice. I need in that colour. So, that is the first action pack done. Hooray! Let's put Plantastic in his slider. It's very slidery. Good. The remains of the exoskeleton can just be there. Right then, shall we change and go for a Kazoom kit? Let's go with Air Blast. Quite curious about this one. How do you open these? I have got scissors with me. Hold on, there they are. Yeah. So, because these are usually quite irritating to open. It's like they're trying to protect a bank and not a £5 Kazoom kit. Or I think that's £6 now. Yeah, there you go. They do have abilities now, so it's a trade-off. Come on. Oh, it's quite stiff. There we go. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of this video. Yep, down goes the view. Watch time? I can't speak today. Right, good. Aha! So Air Blast. you can't really hold him still, because in the ability he's got like Balloon Tornado, I think is his ability, and he just goes. So yeah, his body can like do that, and it looks quite wrong. You can all sit down, which I'm surprised about. I don't think they do that, but no, they did, even though he has that. That's quite confusing. But yeah, you can't really stand him up very easily. Actually, it's not too hard if you're careful. Now, these hullaballoon. Is there something in the back? Oh no, there's tape. Bring out the scissors. Why are they so stiff? Oh. Right. Yeah, this isn't quite working. Come on. I hope I do need to cut this tape, or else I'm just aimlessly cutting tape. Get out of my hand. Come on! There we go. Right. It's like breaking into a vault. It's probably easier than opening SuperThings. Hullaballoon! Brackets Kazoom Power Mission. We've already had one. And Air Blast! Brackets CGI. We've already had one. Right, that's that finished. Let's give Air Blast his weapon. We haven't had an Air Blast Kazoom kid though, so I suppose that's original, but they are repeating Kazoom. It's like we've got Astro Turbo and what's his face? Power Punch and Starberry. They got leaked. Okay, he just flew off. It's quite hard. It can only go in a certain hand. I don't think so. Come on. Yeah, I'm not putting that in right now, but there's his weapon. You could imagine. Maybe he's facing the wrong view. Right. Shall we go with a? Yeah, let's go with a 5-pack. So there is a formula to these. So I'm pretty sure it's pretty much always correct. So the surprise super zing, and this should be Potato, because if you look, the two crystals are rivals. Silver is a silver, but this one, just the normal with no rival, the surprise super zing is always going to be their rival. Unless in very rare cases it's Professor K. But, oh, and would you look at that? Potato. Haha, my theory is correct. It's not really my theory, I think Insert Joke here created it. But hey ho. Come on. Oh gosh. It's been mangled. I like these cardboard inserts. Well, you've got a Bolix on them, you're not getting a Bolix in this. Red, Lucky O Green, that is new, which is nice. I'm like, how have we been doing this for 8 minutes? I might have to split this into multiple parts. That is probably what I'm going to do. Jinx in yellow, in the box of bewilderment. And Max Peel, and destroyed packaging. Good. Then right, I think I'll probably open one more thing. No, I still should do an action pack because we're in the action. Oh dear. Ah! It's quite chaotic getting them out of the box. The reasonably sized box. Ooh! Right then, so you've got Max Peel, Potato, Maleficate, Lockdown, and Wondershine. I'm starting to remember the names now. Right, the exoskeleton. I'm assuming this one won't be any easier to assemble. We've got the same. Wait, is that right? Oh yeah, the seats can't go up now. That's a thing. Yeah, yeah. The seats, they used to be able to fold up, but they don't now. Right. So, I hope this isn't the same as. Oh no, I don't think it is. I reckon, yeah, here's the good stuff. Yeah, it's the same as the last one essentially, but it has diamond drills. Emerald drills, I don't know. That's Wondershine's exoskeleton. And now for the zings. Well, crikey, they're going everywhere. Yep, destroyed packaging. Maleficate, very nice and gold. Nice. Powtato. Again, we just got him in that colour. Wondershine. Do I have you in this colour? I think I probably do. Lockdown in green. He's a lot chunkier than his original. And Max Peel has escaped us. Yeah. So this belongs to Lockdown. So when you drive it, is it this one? Yeah, it is. That punches or something. Move that away from there. Good. Yeah, it does a thing. Yeah. So I think that'll be it for part uno. Hopefully there'll only be 2 parts. Might be 2.5. Is that possible? I don't know. Might be 3. Anyways, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys!